बहुकीर्ति गुहसेनाधिपति। धन्योस्मि सर्वेभ्यः।
Shubham, dhanyawadaः. Let us start today's 13th class. Let me share the
Acharya ji,
Swami.
can I clarify one thing from last class?
Yeah, please, Swami.
Yeah. So last class.
Can I see your face, Swami? Because
okay, 1 minute. Let me put. Let me turn on the video.
Yeah.
Okay.
The other thing is also when I'm just talking to people, if I look at some people, they're looking at their expressions. I'm feeling it's a class. If everyone is on mute in video, like I'm like speaking. I feel like I'm just
I
talking to
understand.
myself.
Okay, let me turn on the video. Yeah. Okay. So last time you said that past tense, like abhavat, abhavatam, abhavan. Okay. You said that is bhute ling. Okay. I checked in the books that I have. It says that this is anadyatana bhutakala lung.
It is lung actually.
Yeah, lung. Yeah. And ling is different. That
Vidhiling.
is
It is vidhiling.
Yeah. So this must be lung, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. So that's
Bhute lung.
Yeah. Okay.
Bhute lung. It is bhute lung. You are right.
Yeah.
Okay. Just have a clarity, Swami. We will just go for 5 minutes for the last class, and we'll continue in the. Okay. Okay. This is what. Hope you are able to see the screen, Swami.
Yeah.
So we did Vartamane let. It is not bhuteling. It is lung. Okay. So lung is past tense. La, if it is only la, lut, present tense, rit, future tense, lung, past tense. Okay. So in which ti, tah, anti, si, tha, tha, ami, avaha, amaha is a formula for present tense. Ishya is a new word or a new suffix we add in bhavishyat kala, that is called rit. Kridishyati, kridishyatah, kridishyanti, kridishyasi, kridishyatha, kridishyatha, kridishyami, kridishyavaha, kridishyama. Can anyone repeat about pach dhatu?
Patati, patataha, patanti.
Very good.
Patataha, patata. Patami, patavaha, patamaha.
Okay. So someone tell me the same in future tense. Patha.
Patishyati, patishyataha, patishyanti. Patishyasi, patishyataha, patishyata. Patishyami, patishyavaha, patishyamaha.
Okay. I asked you about pacha. Pacha means cooking. Then it becomes
Pachati.
pachishyati. Okay. Pachati or pachishyati. Pachati is present tense. Pachishyati is future tense. Pachishyati, pachishyataha, pachishyanti, pachishyasi, pachishyataha, pachishyami, pachishyavaha, pachishyamaha. Very good. Fantastic. If it is gamishyati, going, then it becomes gamishyati, gamishyataha, gamishyanti, gamishyasi, gamishyatha, gamishyatha, gamishyami, gamishyavaha, gamishyamaha. This is future. Fantastic. Okay, in that way, pasyati, dasyati, vadishyati, etc. Now, I just got confused. This bhute lung, it is called as anadyatana. Bhute lung. Lung is past tense. Adya means today. Adya means today. We read na adya. Okay, let me very simple thing. 3 things I want to tell you today. I'll write here. What is adya?
Today.
Very good. What is tomorrow?
Shvaha.
Anadya means not today.
Yeah.
Adya is today. Anadya is not today. It may be future or past. Anadyatana bhavishyati is also there, which may happen immediately, not today. Okay. So anadyatana bhute means already happened, but not today. It means it is past tense. Okay. Anadyatana bhute is past tense. Okay. So adya. What is tomorrow is it's shvaha. Shvaha Ramaha agachyati. Tomorrow Rama will come. Shvaha is tomorrow. Adya is today. Okay. Shvaha is tomorrow. Okay. What is yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, excellent. Sorry. Right. Yeah means yesterday. So please remember Adya today, Shvaha tomorrow, Hyaha
Yesterday.
yesterday. So this is very important. Adya today, Hyaha Biden Adhyakshaha Jataha. Hyaha Biden Adhyakshaha Jataha. What is the meaning of this?
Yesterday, Biden became president.
Shvaha Pramana Swikaram Karishyati.
Tomorrow he will take oath.
He will take oath. Karishyati, he will take oath. Okay. Adya Trump Nimitta Matraha.
Today he is
Just
not
like
existent.
Namesake.
Yeah. So in that way, Adya is today, Shvaha is tomorrow, Hyaha is yesterday. Okay. If you want to tell day before yesterday,
Parahya.
Para. If you add para, it means one day before. One day before. Okay. If you add para before hyaha, it becomes parahyaha. Once, one day before yesterday. Very good.
Before yesterday.
Okay. If you add the same para, for tomorrow,
It became today.
then it becomes
Parashvaha.
means what?
Day after tomorrow.
Day after
Day
tomorrow.
after tomorrow.
One day after. Okay. If you add para before hyaha, it becomes one day before. If you add the same para before shvaha, it becomes one day after. One day before, one day after. Now tell me what is today in Sanskrit?
Adya.
Excellent. What is tomorrow?
Shvaha.
Shvaha. Very good. What is yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay. Again, what is today?
Adya.
Okay. What is yesterday?
Yaha.
Hyaha. Very good. What is day before yesterday?
Parahya.
Para. Yesterday.
Parahya.
It should be visarga ending.
Parahya.
Very good. Parahya. What is 2 days before yesterday?
Praparahya.
Add pra. Okay. Pra.
We hear this sometimes in the, I don't want to say when, but prapritamasyaha,
Pita. Pitamaha. Prapitamaha.
Prapitamaha. Yeah.
Okay. In Abdikam, in ceremonies, we tell Pitru Pitamaha Prapitamahanam. Pitru Pitamaha Prapitamaha. Pra is older than that. Okay. Pra plus para, it becomes 2 days. 2 days before or after.
Before.
Here also 2 days before or after. Now tell me, what is today? Sanskritam.
Adya.
Adya. Yesterday.
Hya.
Hyaha. Day before yesterday.
Praparahya.
Parahyaha.
Parahyaha. Excellent. 2 days before yesterday.
Praparahyaha.
Parahyaha. Once again.
Praparahyaha.
Sanskritam makes our mouth so tongue twisting and it is flexible. It makes our mouth flexible. Praparahyaha. Once again.
So,
Swami, Lakshmanadikar, you are telling something.
let's finish and then I'll after.
Okay. Praparahyaha.
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 Praparahyaha. Okay. Now tell me today. What is today?
Adya.
What is tomorrow?
Swaha.
Swaha.
Day after tomorrow?
Prashvaha.
Parashvaha.
Parashvaha.
Once again, Parashvaha. If you repeat 2-3 times in your life, you won't get confused. Praparahyaha. Sorry, Praparashvaha.
Praparashva is
Shvaha, Adya, Shvaha, Parashvaha, Praparashvaha. Okay, what is today?
Adya.
What is tomorrow?
Swaha.
Very good. What is day after tomorrow?
Parashvaha.
Parashvaha. What is 2 days after tomorrow?
Parashvaha.
Fantastic. We'll have a beautiful exercise once again. What is today?
Adya.
Adya Ravivasaraha.
Ravi Vasaraha.
Vasara is a day.
Vasaraha.
Okay. Ravi Vasaraha. Sunday. Okay, what is Monday?
Somavasaraha.
That's
Hindu
it.
Vasara.
Somavasaraha. You are getting it. If you check your my computer is saying the same before my typing. What is the Tuesday?
Paraswaha.
Mangalavasaraha.
Mangalavasara.
Mangalavasaraha. Mangala. See, you are
Vasara.
getting Mangalavasara before I type. Can you able to see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it is inbuilt in Microsoft.
Mhm.
So Microsoft has a language of Sanskritam as it's one of the languages.
Okay.
Okay. So without typing that, if I enter, it will come Mangalavasara. Okay. Autocorrect. Okay. What is Wednesday?
Budhavasaraha.
That's it. Budhavasaraha. What is Thursday?
Guru Vasaraha.
It came. What is Friday?
Shukra Vasaraha.
Shukravasara. What is Saturday?
Nivasaraha.
That's it. So now you tell me, what is today?
Adya Ravivasaraha.
Yeah.
Adya Ravivasara. Once again, Adya.
Ravivasara.
Fantastic. What is yesterday? Sorry, what was yesterday?
Shanivasaraha.
No.
Yeah. Aha.
Hyaha Shanivasara. Once again,
Aha.
if you
Shanivasara.
repeat 2-3 times, it is easy. Hyaha
Yaha.
Shanivasara.
Shanivasaraha.
Aha.
Hyaha Shanivasara. Once again,
Shanivasara.
Shanivasaraha.
very good. Give a gap between 2 words. Hyaha Shanivasara. Fantastic. Once again. Okay. Hyaha Shanivasara. Yadi hyaha Shanivasara, tarhi what is Friday?
Parahya. Shukravasaraha.
Parahyaha Shukravasara. Once again.
Parahyaha Shukra Vasaraha.
Once again. Parahyaha Shukravasara.
Parahyaha Shukra Vasaraha.
Fantastic. Parahyaha Shukravasara.
Parahyaha Shukra Vasaraha.
Very good. Parahyaha Shukravasara. Very good. Parahyah Shukravasarah. Okay. Yadi Parahyah Shukravasarah, what is Thursday?
Praparahya Guruvasara.
Praparahyah Guruvasarah.
Praparasya.
Sya,
Praparahya.
not sya, it is hiya. Hakara and yakara. Praparahyah Guruvasarah. Praparahyah Guruvasarah. Once again.
Praparahyah Guruvasarah.
Praparahyah Guruvasarah. Praparahyah Guruvasarah. Praparahyah Guruvasarah. Okay, now again, what is today?
Adya.
Ravivasarah.
Ravivara.
Excellent. What is tomorrow?
Somavasarah.
Shva.
Okay. Swaha Somavasarah.
Somavasarah.
Okay. Swaha Shwaha Somavasarah. Once again. Shwaha
Vaha
Somavasarah.
Somavasarah.
What is today? What is tomorrow in Sanskrit? Can you tell us?
Same na? Shwaha Kaha. Kaha Vasarah.
Swaha.
Kaha.
Kaha is question na?
Right.
Shwaha Kaha Vasarah.
Okay.
If I ask you in Sanskrit, you won't pronounce Parahyaha, Hyaha, Shvaha, etc. So I'm asking in English.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay. What is tomorrow?
Shvaha
Vaha Somavasarah.
Excellent. What is day after tomorrow?
Parasvaha Somavasarah.
Somavasarah.
Mangalavasarah.
Excellent. Parashvaha Mangalavasarah. Once again.
Parashvaha
Parasvaha
Mangalavasarah.
Mangalavasarah. Very good. What is day after tomorrow? 2 days after tomorrow?
Parasvaha Mangalavasarah.
How
Budhavasarah. Budhavasarah.
Praparashvaha Budhavasarah. Praparashvaha Budhavasarah. Now you know something, you can add like dhatus also. What is today? Adya Ravivasarah Bhavati. Repeat once again. Adya
Ravivasarah
Ravivasarah Bhavati.
Bhavati.
Bhavati is happening, na? Present.
So,
Adya Ravivasarah Bhavati. Adya Ravivasarah Bhavati. Once again. Adya Ravivasarah Bhavati.
Ravivasaraha Bhavati.
Okay. Now if I ask you what was yesterday?
Vaha Shanivasarah.
Yesterday na?
Yeah.
Hara. Haya.
Kya
Haya.
Haya.
Kya ha?
Shanivasarah.
Shanivasarah. And continue. Today is Bhavati. What is past?
Abhavat.
Hyaha Shanivasarah Abhavat. Hope you are able to understand how we use dhatus.
Yeah.
Hyaha Shanivasarah Abhavat.
Past tense.
Abhavat happened. Repeat again. Hyaha Shanivasarah Abhavat.
Shanivasarah
Abhavat.
Abhavat.
Okay. Hyaha Shanivasarah Abhavat. Or it went off. So what we can say?
Gacchati.
Gacchati in past tense.
Agachat.
Excellent. Hyaha Shanivasarah Agachat.
Gacchati.
Fantastic. Hyaha Shanivasarah Agachat. Generally, everything will be in the brain, Swami. Just if we just put it out, it is seen to the world. That's it. Just try to just put it out. That's it. Okay. Okay. What was Friday? Okay. What was day before yesterday?
Parahyaha
Very good. Parahyaha.
Shukravasarah.
If I ask you to add a dhatu, then
Agachat.
Abhavat.
Abhavat or Agachat.
Abhavat or Agachat.
Parashvaha Shukravasarah Abhavat. or Parashvaha, Parahyaha, Shukravasaraha, Agachat. Very good. Okay. What was 2 days before yesterday?
Paraswaha Guru Vasaraha
Agachat.
Abhavat.
Abhavat or Agachat. Fantastic. Now same present tense. What is today? What is today happening?
Adya Ravivasaraha Bhavati.
Bhavati.
Excellent. Radhya Ravivasara Bhavati or Adya Ravivasaraha
Gacchati.
Gacchati or Chalati.
Ati.
Asti. So today, in present tense, today is Sunday. Happening or going or just moving. Okay. What is tomorrow? What is tomorrow?
Swaha Somavasaraha
Hmm.
Bhavishyati.
Excellent.
Is it Bhavishyati or Bhavishyat?
Bhavishyati. Why the? There is no the, na?
Yeah,
Bhavat
Titahanti.
past
Yeah,
tense.
yeah,
Structure
Titahanti.
completely changes. Shvaha Somavasaraha Bhavishyati. Excellent. Once again, Shvaha Somavasaraha
Somavasaraha
Bhavishyati.
Bhavishyati.
Once again, Shvaha Somavasaraha Bhavishyati.
Bhavishyati.
Okay, what will be day after tomorrow?
Paraswaha Mangalavasaraha Bhavishyati.
Very good. What will be day 2 days after tomorrow? Bhavishyati, no Bhavati. Bhavishyati. Very good. Done. My concept of explaining you today, yesterday, tomorrow, day before yesterday, day after tomorrow, 2 days after before yesterday, 2 days after tomorrow, completed. Okay. So please, whenever you see Bhavati will happen. Adya is today. Shvaha is tomorrow. Hyaha is yesterday. Para, if you add 1 day before or 2 day, 1 day before or after. Pra plus para is 2 days before or after. Just remember this. Remaining all are same and you all know these things. Okay. So I wanted to just recap, but we learned something new today. Thank you very much. Just repeat this. We'll go to the next beautiful concept. There are 5 dhatus which generally we learn, among which present tense, past tense, future tense are 3, which we already learned in the last class. Just we are recapping it. Repeat it once again. What is this?
Abhavat.
Abhavat. Abhavatam.
Tam.
Abhavatam.
Abhavan.
Abhavaha. Abhavatam. Abhavat.
Abhavata. If it is not Itsanya, don't cut it.
Okay. Abhavat.
Abhavata.
Abhavam. Abhavava. Abhavama.
Very good. Okay. So in this way, we add bhava. Instead of bhava, we add krida, or instead of we gacha, instead of chala, instead of bhava, we add different dhadus. A and the structure will be same. Okay.
I have a question.
Swami,
Sorry,
please tell me.
yesterday's in one of the questions,
Mm-hmm.
I don't have my phone here.
Okay, tell me.
Ayat something we had that like a yat we added. What was the
Apalayat.
what was that like? Why was that slightly different? We don't see any of it here.
Pala. See here, we add only ta in the ending, na? Okay. Instead of krida, we are adding pala.
Right. Where did the ya come from?
In this formation of structures, we see a simple word here, abhavat. Na? To make this word, according to Paninian grammar, 2 A4 size papers of theorem is there. So it is easy to spell a word abhavat. But why it formed, why you should add a, why you should add ta, and how the bhava becomes, if the root is same, how it is pronounced, if why the root changes according to the previous or later formulas, according to the pronunciation, whether it changes or not, what new letters will be formed, whether is there any change in the suffix or prefix, everything you have like big theorems.
Okay. Because I was
Actually, I failed in 10th class for 5 times, particularly in mathematics. But after learning this, it became very easy to me. And I wrote an international paper on mathematics, actually. I never thought in my even dreams that I will write a paper on mathematics in a national seminar. But this made me to write because of this linguistics. So it is easy to see something on screen, but behind this, as we have a programming concept, Abhavat has 2 pages of theorem, how it becomes with all the formulas.
Okay,
Actually, if I tell you all that, it will be very boring. So it will form. You should have another doubt. If it is Gachati today, if it is Agachat yesterday, how it become Gamishyati tomorrow?
No, I guess my point was when I was trying to answer that question, that knowledge I didn't have it. So
No
when
problem.
you put that
It
there,
is right. It is good that you asked. Even see here, it become Gamishyati. Pibati today, Apibat yesterday, how it is become Pasyati? It should be Pibishyati. Okay, Dadati today, Adadat yesterday, it should be Dadishyati, but it become Dasyati. Vadati, Avadat, Vadishyati. So there are some changes grammatically according to Paninian grammar. So such that he added some differences, some spellings for perfection. So in that way, palati or palayati. Palayati is a dhatu, Swami. Raja palayati.
yeah, Raja Bhoja Nagara,
Dhara nagaram
Tara
palayati.
Nagaram,
Apalayat.
Apalayat.
He ruled. It is, if it is present tense, it is palayati.
Okay, good.
If it is future tense,
Palaya.
Palashyati.
Alashyati.
palayishyati.
Alaishyati.
Palayishyati.
Palashyati. Yeah.
Very good. So that's a good doubt. So there are small changes did by great scholar Panini. Today we
Thank
are
you.
going something new. Okay.
Acharya ji,
Swami.
if the Pullinga Raja becomes Rani, does it change?
Pullinga Raja Rani. Rani.
Rani
Rani
Jhansi.
Devi Warangal Prantam Apalayat.
Is that Palat becomes different?
What? Raja, Rani.
Rani,
Instead of noun, we are okay. Instead of noun, we are changing only noun. If it is masculine noun, it ends with visarga. It is a feminine noun, it ends with
Raja, Rani Rudramadevi.
Rani Rudramadevi or Jhansi
Varangal
Rani.
Nagare.
Varangal Nagare.
Apalayat.
Varangal Nagaram Apalayat. Nagare in the Nagaram.
Apalayat. Okay.
She ruled the city. So Nagaram Apalayat.
So the dhatu does not change.
Nothing will change. Just noun will be replaced.
Okay.
If it is a city noun, name of a city is a noun, it changes. Name of a king or a queen noun, it changes.
Okay, thank you.
The remaining is same. Okay, so let me share today's screen. So yeah, this is today's screen, Swami. Okay, again we are in root sentences. Patha dhatu is which we read, in which I tried to do all the 3 tenses. Pathati is present tense, patishyati future, apatat past tense. Saha patati, saha patishyati, saha apatat. Anything is okay. Sa, tat, we add the pronouns. Here it will not change. Tvam patasi, tvam patishyasi, tvam apathaha. Yuvam pathataha, yuvam patishyataha, yuvam apathatam. Yuyam pathata, yuyam patishyata, yuyam apatata. So you add these black color pronouns to the verbs of 3 different tenses. Aham pathami, aham patishyami, aham apatham. Avam pathavah, avam patishyavah, avam apathava. Vayam pathamaha, vayam patishyamah, vayam apathama. In which we can make all the present past and future tense sentences by adding some more additional information, or else these are the basic questions. Okay, I'll send this pic to you people also. It will be if you are answering something, it will be helpful for you. Now we are going to learn about load. Load meaning is let it be. Okay, load is let it be. It means if a boy is playing, what we will do? Someone tells that, see how bad he is doing. What we'll do? Let him play. If someone is watching TV, a news channel, which is like great debates are going on. Some elderly person comes and tells that, why are you just looking all this rubbish? What a father will tell. Let him watch. Let him know what's happening. Let him. If like wife is cooking lot of food, let her cook. Someone will come and eat. Let her. So it is like permitting people to do their job is called as load. Generally, it occurs again and again, often in our general conversation. It will be like this. Okay. I want you to repeat again. Pathatu.
Patatu.
I think you understood singular, dual, plural, all vachanas and persons are same. Okay. Pathatu. Pathatam.
Patata.
Pathantu. Patha. Pathatam. Pathata. Pathani. Pathava. Pathama. A bit confusion. Let me just go to the other slide. Okay. What happened here? So, are you able to see the screen here, white screen?
Yes.
Yes.
No,
No?
no, we're
No,
seeing this.
no. Title screen. Title
We only have
slide.
intro screen. Yeah.
So we have the white screen slightly to the right.
Okay. I'll just stop and I'll just give you again. No problem. Yeah. Yeah, Swami. Now?
Yes, we
Okay.
see.
So as we learned past tense, what I told you, akara will be added as past tense, no?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can I use this akara now or not? No,
Let
because
me
it is
know.
not past tense. It is lot. Okay. It is called as imperative mode. Okay. Okay. So I should delete this akara.
Sorry.
Bless you.
Akara is deleted. Okay, what changes we got it? The first one is pathatu. Instead of krida, the dhatu is same. Instead of ta, it is tu. Okay, Swami, this is a new one, tu. This will be deleted. Ta become tu. The second dvivachana is tam is same. Okay. Bahuvachanam, it becomes antu. Tu added. Here, visarga is deleted. Visarga was there. It is deleted. This is same again. This is same again. Instead of ma, with its sanya, it is ni. Okay. It is same. It is same. So, what is the difference between past tense and imperative mode. Tell me, krida is a dhatu. Okay. So this is past tense. Black color is past tense. Let me make it in red. You have two tenses here in the same paper. Now tell me the difference between past tense and imperative mood suffixes.
Yeah. Kridatu.
Kridatam. Kridan.
Is it easy to identify the change or difficult? A is not their first difference.
Yes, of course.
Okay, because if you add a, it will be past.
Past.
So it is not past. So there is no a. If you understand akridat, akridatam, akridan, akridah, akridatam, akridata, akridam, akridava, akridama. So all are same. I think these two are almost same.
Okay.
These two are almost same. This is almost same. What changes we find? 1, 2, and 3. Instead of itsanya takara, it is tu. Let it be kridatu, pathatu, chalatu, gachatu. Okay. Add these two to the na, it becomes bahuvachana. Kridantu, bhavantu,
Chalantu.
gachantu, chalantu, pathantu, pachantu,
Vadantu.
vadantu. Instead of visarga, we deleted visarga. The root will be same. Like if it is kridaha, akridaha is past tense. Krida.
Krida.
You
Krida.
play. Tom krida. Tom vada. Tom vada. What it means? Tom vada. Now you tell. Tom pacha. What it means? Tom
You
pacha.
cook. You cook.
You cook. Tom vada.
Aham khadaha.
Aham is uttama purusha again. Aham khadani.
Aham khadani.
Aham khadani. Khadava. Khadama. Okay. Khadani. Khadava. Khadama. Okay. Madhyama purusha. Yuyam. You all. Vadatha. You all. Yuyam. Vadata. You all tell. You all. Yuyam agachata. You all come. You all come to my house. You all come to class. Tvam pathanardham agachata. You come.
Bahuvachana.
Bahuvachana. Aham khadani. I will eat. I'm going to eat. I eat.
Yeah.
Aham vadani. Aham pachani. Evam.
Tvam
Gachava.
pachata.
Vayam
Tvam pachata aham
vadama.
khadani. Yeah.
Vayam vadama. We all speak. We are all. Yes, we are ready to speak.
So, but Acharyaji, how will you distinguish this from present?
Pathati, he is eating. I am eating. Let him play. Do you find any differences? He is eating and let him eat. He is ruling. Let him rule. Do we have any difference in the both sentences? He is ruling. Some other will answer you. Let him rule. He is eating. Let him eat. Saha palayati. Palayatu. Saha palayatu. Saha khadati. Saha khadatu. Padti nani. Let him eat. Khane do. Kha raha hai. Khane do. Are these same or different?
Different.
Different.
That's what. You eat. You are eating. You eat. Do you have any difference? It is not a command, but it is similar to the command. There is no should. But you eat. You do. You go. I call my son. Rama, go and bring that. Gacha, anaya. Go and bring that. So gacha. Gachatu, gachatam, gachantu, gacha. Gachatam, gachata. Just it's a simply gacha. Just it means you go. Rama, khada, you eat. Sita, upavishya. Sita, you should sit. Like you sit. Mata, annam dadat. Mata, annam dadat. You give. So when you are asking something, we use this. When you are doing something, we use present tense. Okay, now tell me the like dhatu. Tu, tam, antu.
Tu, tam, antu.
Just blank dhatu, tam, ta, tam, ta. So you can say
Tam, tam, ta.
You can call it as that's good actually. It ending actually. Tam, ta. Ani, ava, ama.
Ani, ava, ama.
Once again, tu,
tam,
antu. Make it antu. Tam, ta.
Tam, ta.
Ani, ava, ama.
Ani, ava, ama.
Okay, now I'll go back to the original slide. Then you will come to understand the beauty of the. Okay. So lot lakara. Okay, this is a bit. It's not completely commanding, but little adesha vachaka. It becomes shocha is a dhatu. Shocha is he is feeling bad. If someone tells that Trump is feeling bad, what you people will tell? What you should say? If Trump is feeling bad of losing elections. Shochatu. Let him. What's happening if he feels bad? What we can do if he is feeling bad? Can we go and console him?
No, they will say Sahas Chochatu.
Sahas Shochatu. Okay. Shochatu, Shochatam, Shochantu. Once again.
Shochatu.
Shochatam, shochantu.
Very good. Shochatu, Shochatam, Shochantu. Once again.
Shochatu, Shochatam, Shochantu.
You should concentrate on the dhatu. What is Shocha, feeling bad, and tu, let him. Whenever you see another dhatu, you should apply the two things. What is the dhatu meaning and what is the mood the word is being explained. That's it. Okay. Shochatu, Shochatam, Shochantu. Trump, all the people of Trump are feeling very bad. Shochanti. What you should tell?
Sarvam Jana Trump. Sarvam Jana and Trump.
Trump Varga Janaha Shochanti. Trump Varga Janaha Shochanti. What should be your answer?
Shochantu.
Shochantu.
Let them.
That's it. Plural. Okay. Madhyama Purusha. Shocha, Shochatam, Shochata. Once again.
Shocha, Shochatam, Shochata.
So if you people are not what can I say, not feeling bad, I want you to see the faces and just tell these things. Okay. Shocha, Shochatam, Shochata. Once again. Shocha,
Shochatam, Shochat.
Shochata. Very good.
Not a visarga.
Shocha, Shochatam, Shochata. Once again.
Shocha, Shochatam, Shochata.
Very good. Once again. Shocha, Shochatam, Shochata. In Hindi, generally the Itsanya concept is actually not there. It is there, but they pronounce as if it is there or not there, like Ram. If it should be Rama, they call it as Ram, Shyam. So they pronounce it, but they don't show it on paper. But in Sanskritam, whatever you show, you spell. You can't spell anything which is not shown. So it is Shochat in Hindi, Shochata in Sanskrit, Shocha in Sanskrit, Shoch in Hindi. Do you ever heard a word called Soch? Oh, Soch raha hai. Shoch. Okay, this is Shocha, is thinking or feeling bad. Once again, Shochatu,
Shochatu, Shochatam,
Shochatam, Shochantu.
Very good. Shocha, Shochatam, Shochata, Shochata,
Shochatam, Shochata.
Sochani, Sochava, Sochama.
Shochani, Shochava, Shochama.
Very good. Shochani, Shochava, Shochama. That's it. Okay. Instead of Shochatu, now there is a word called Piba. How you will form a dhatu's rupa?
Pibatu.
Pibatam, pibantu.
Pibatam, pibantu.
Very good. Next one.
Pibatam,
Piba.
Piba, pibatam, pibata.
Pibata. Pibani.
Pibani,
Pibava.
Pibava. Pibama.
Is it right? Please check.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, you're perfect. Very good. Pibatu, pibatam, pibantu.
Piba, pibatam, pibat.
You are not
Pibata.
repeating my word. Pibatu, pibatam, pibantu.
Pibatu, pibatam, pibantu.
Piba, pibatam, pibata.
Piba,
Piba,
pibatam, pibata.
pibatam, pibata.
Pibani, pibava, pibama.
Piban, Pibava, Pibama.
If you spell in this mode, in this rhythm, dhatus will just be ready in your mind. If you add word letter to letter, it will be always confusing. So that's why I'm just giving you a hint how to read dhatus. Pibatu, pibatam, pibantu.
Pibatu, Pibatam, Pibantu.
Piba, pibatam, pibata.
Piba,
Piba, Pibatam, Pibata.
Pibani, pibava, pibama.
Pibani, Pibava, Pibama.
So this is the process of reading dhatus actually. Okay. Next one is gacha. Form the dhatu.
Gachatu,
Gachatu.
Gachatam, gachantu.
Gachantu.
Even I want you all to
Gachantu.
try. I'm listening to everybody's voice. Okay. Try, just
Gacha,
loudly.
gachatam,
Gachatam.
Gajatam.
gachata.
From the
Gachatu.
beginning, please. Gachatu. Gachatu once again.
Gachani.
Gachatu once again.
Gachatu, gachatam,
Gajatam.
gachantu,
Mhm.
gacha,
Gacha.
Gachatam,
Gachatam.
gachatam,
Gachatu.
gachata.
Narayan Pai, it is gachatam.
yeah,
Okay.
Gachatam.
Gachata.
Chani,
Gachani.
Gachava,
Gachava.
gachama,
Gachama.
Shama.
How many read as I told you? You are adding still. You are almost perfect. Try once again. Gachatu, gachatam, gachantu.
Gachatu. Gachatam. Gachantu.
gachantu,
Gacha, gachatam, gachata.
Gacha.
gacha,
Gachatam.
gachatam,
Gachata.
gachata,
Gachani, gachava, gachama.
Gachani.
Gachani.
Gachava.
Gachava. Gachama.
Fantastic. Now tell me about pacha.
pachatu,
Pachatu. Pachatu. Pachatam.
pachatam,
Pachantu.
Very good.
Pacha,
Pachantu.
pacha,
Pachantu.
pacha, pachatam, pachata,
Pachatan. Pachantu.
Ani,
Pachatam.
pacha.
Pachant.
You know what? Where you got confused?
Pachani.
Someone adding stress to the chakara. There is no stress here. Gacha is a dhatu, so there is a stress with the chakara. But pacha is a simple cha. So pachatu, pachatam, pachantu.
Pachatu. Pachatam. Pachantu.
Simply just like it should fly. Pachatu, pachatam, pachantu.
Pachatu,
Pachatu. Pachatam. Pachantu.
Pacha, pachatam, pachata.
Pachatam.
pacha, pachatam, pachata,
Pachani, pachava, pachama.
Pachani.
Pachani,
Pachama.
pachama, pachama.
Simple and super. Okay. Now let us make abhyasa. What is abhyasa?
Learning.
Practicing,
Study.
practicing.
Yeah.
How, where, in which places we use this pachatu? We learn today. How can you use this? Where you can find this upavisha?
From upava,
It's a
Upavisha.
upavisha.
What it
past
means?
tense. It's a past.
Is it a past tense?
Who is not
Upavish.
No present tense.
Okay. Now go about upavisha dhatu lot upavishatu
Upa.
and observe the tvam. Tvam is which purusha?
Madhyama Purusha.
Very good. Now it is upavishatu, upavishatam, upavishantu. Next.
Upavisha.
Upavishami.
Upavishat, Upavishatam, Vishupash. Third one I don't remember.
Upavisha. Upavisha.
There is no suffix here.
Okay.
That's why it is
Yeah,
tvam
it's one.
upavisha. Now if you tell the upavisha dhatu, upavishatu, upavishatam, upavishantu. Once again.
Upavisha, Upavisha,
Upavishatam, upavishata, upavisham, upavishava,
Upavishata.
upavishama. Tvam madhyama purusha ekvachanam. So you sit.
Upavisha. Okay.
Tvam upavisha.
Okay.
Or you can call it as opposite. Tvam uttishtha. You get up. In Vivekananda's sentences, one of I like it. It's from Upanishads. Uttishtata, Jagratha, Prapyavaran Nibodhata. So this is the same. You get up, arise, awake, and stop not. There is a sentence until you go reach your goal. So Upavisha, you said. This is in Lot Lakara. Next one. Tell me which Purusha and which Vachana it is, and what is the meaning of the sentence.
Bhavan,
Pradama
bhavantam,
Purusha Bahuvachanam.
Pradama Purusha Bahuvachanam, fantastic. What is this? Bhavantaha,
Plural.
plural of Bhavan Shabda. Okay. Bhavan, Bhavantau, Bhavantaha. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, likely. Okay. Okay. So you all Pathantu.
patantu.
Read. Bhavantaha Pathantu. Repeat again.
Bhavantaha patantu.
Very good. Once again.
Bhavantaha
Bhavantaha
Patantu.
So
patantu.
Bhavantaha, what you can use? Yuyam Pathantu. Sorry. Te Pathantu. Saha tau te Pathantu. Okay. If it is Yuyam, what it becomes?
You all, I guess.
Okay. Yuyam. You all. Madhyam Purusha. Pathantu Madhyam Purusha Bahuvachanam.
Patatam.
Bahuvachanam.
Patatam.
Patata.
Tata.
Okay, now read the patadhatu. Patatu, patatam, patantu. Patha, patatam, patata. Patani, patava, patama. What it becomes now? Yuyam.
Yuyam Patata.
Patata. Fantastic. Yuyam patata. Very good. Aham gacchani.
Pradama Purusha Ekavachanam.
Uttama Purusha ekavachanam.
Uttama Purusha.
Uttama Purusha is first person. Na? Okay.
First.
Aham, I am gacchani. I will go. Aham gacchani. मैं बोलूँ I'll go. मैं जाऊँगा. मैं जा रहा हूँ. Okay. Aham gacchani. I'll go. Now tell the gaccha dhatu. Gacchatu, gacchatam, gacchantu, gaccha, gacchatam, gacchata. This is practice, ma. Gacchani, gacchava, gacchama. Okay, you want to practice this for one time? Okay, let practice this. Like I'll give you 2 minutes time. I want you all to be by hearting it. Next time, in that practice, you should not feel a hitch. No, you can just by heart by yourself. Don't repeat to me. Just say okay when you complete.
Yeah, we're ready for test.
Okay, Ma, Vasudha ji, Dutt ji.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. 3 done. What is the 4th one? Repeat, everyone.
Sham.
Shyam
Is
Tvam
Shyam or
Maya.
Shyama?
Shama.
Shyam.
Tvam.
Why you people
Shyama.
told Shyam then?
Shama.
Shyama.
Tvam maya saha chalatu.
Tell me the Chalatu. What is Chalatu? Which
Chalatu
Purusha, which
is
Vachana?
Third
singular.
person.
Pradama Purusha Ekavachanam.
Excellent. Pradama Purusha. I will tell. Can you repeat the Dhatu Chalatu?
Chalatu,
Chalatu.
Chalat,
No.
Chalatam.
Chalatu, chalatam, chalantu, chala,
Chalatu,
chalatam,
Chalatam,
chalata,
Ah,
chalani, chalava, chalama.
fantastic.
Chalani,
Now you
Chalava,
come to know the
Chalama.
sentence meaning. Shyama, O Shyama, Tvam
You,
Maya Saha,
With me.
with me, Chalatu.
walk with me.
Walk or move.
What's Maya?
Maya Saha, Maya Saha,
You
With
may
me.
walk with
with
me.
me, along with me.
You may walk with me.
You should, oh Shyama, come with me.
Oh, I see.
Okay, next one.
Balakaha,
Balaka.
Adyan,
It should be with Udyane.
Udyane,
Balaka.
In the
Kridantu.
park.
Balaka,
Children are
Udyane,
playing at.
Kridantu.
No.
No, it's
Balakaha, plural.
plural.
Jnane. Jnane.
Plural and
Jnane.
Yeah, let children play in the garden.
Excellent. Balakaha Udyane Kridantu.
Okay, next one. Very good.
Aham bhojanam
Bhojanam kadani
khadani kim.
kim.
Kim means questioning, na?
Yeah, when will I eat the food?
No.
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 Am I going to
Aham,
eat?
my.
Aham bhojanam kadani.
What did you eat for?
No.
What did you eat?
Aham.
No.
Aham.
Aham.
What did I?
All.
No.
Aham means all.
Again.
We.
Kim is an
Aham.
expression also, Swami. Let me be clear with you. Kim
Uttam
is
Purush.
also sometimes an expression. It is not only questioning, but also an expression of, shall I do it? Did I do it? Like in question, मैं क्या किया? Kya is a question, but sometimes we use it as expression. Aham bhojanam khadani kim? I'm eating it. Shall I? Okay, remove kim and just tell aham bhojanam khadani.
I am eating.
Meal.
I'm
Let me eat or I am eating.
I'm eating food.
I'm eating food.
I will eat.
Khadani.
Okay. Next.
Shishyaha patam patatu.
Shishya.
Shishas are part. Reading.
No.
Reading pleasure.
Let them read. Let the Shishya read.
It's a
Shishya
Pratama
patatu.
Purusha.
Student. Let student read.
Yeah, this is Lota.
Once again, Swami.
Lota.
Lot, not Lota.
Lord.
Okay, there is a Itsanya, Swami. Okay?
Yeah, now I will remember better.
Okay. Do you ever heard Nanda Masharadashatam, Jiva Masharadashatam, Moda Masharadashatam, Ajitya Masharad? There is a Ashivachan mantra in Vedic mantras, it's very famous. What is Nanda Masharadashatam? What is Nandama?
Nandama.
Sharadaha is Sharat Kala, like Sharat Kala. How many Sharat Kalas? Shatam. What it means?
100 years. Live for 100 years.
100 years. Nandama?
Live.
Nanda? Where do you find Nanda?
Ananda. Yeah.
Ananda.
Ang Maryada Bhividhyo is a formula by Panini. Completely happiness is called as Anandam. Like some people, if they give you a toffee or a chocolate, you will be happy for a moment only on a concentrated concept called chocolate. You are not happy for enjoying it or experiencing it till you complete the chocolate. Okay. This is chocolate. If I give you some small brand chocolate, you'll be happy half, because he's not giving dairy milk. He's just giving a small 5-star. Okay, if I give you a very high branded chocolate, if you don't know the value of it, again you are not happy. So there are different.
I'm reminded of the
Pardon?
song Nandamaya Garuda Nandamaya.
Ah, Nandamaya Garudan. Ah, yeah. Nandama, we are going to. We'll be happy up to Sharadashatam. Nandama Sharadashatam. Okay, next one.
What does the Sharadaha means?
Sharad Kala. Sharadaha is Sharad Kalam is called as Sharadaha.
What's the Sharad Kala?
Sharad Kala is the winter.
Okay.
We'll see winters.
Okay.
Do you know, after getting 85 years, people will celebrate Sahasra Chandra Darshana.
Yes,
Sahasra
yes.
Chandra Darshana program for people who completed 85 years. 60 years is Shashti Purti for 60 years completion, right?
What is the word for 85?
Sahasra Chandra Darshanam.
I'm getting close to it.
How can they see Sahasra? How can they see 1000 in 85 years? How?
I don't know.
Oh, Chandra means full moon. When you can see full
Oh,
moon
okay.
in every Paurnami. How many Paurnamis in 1 year?
There are about 12, 13. I'm sorry,
13,
26.
13, right.
24.
24.
Okay, 24 into 84.
24 times 80, huh?
24 into 84.
Okay. So that's...
No, it's not 24. How can it be 24 Paurnamis?
Okay, 12, sorry.
12.
12 Paurnamis
Monthly
into
one.
84 years. Is equals to?
Near to 1000. Yeah.
1008.
Exactly 1008. In as like Sahasranama.
Mhm.
That's why they celebrate Sahasra Chandra Darshana. So that's why people will ask us to just do prayer to Chandamama on every Paurnami. As if you can celebrate that. He saw 1008 Chandamamas and he prayed to 1008 Chandamamas, and Chandamama, he blessed him. Sahasra Chandra, generally we don't go out on Paurnami days. We don't look at Chandamama, we don't enjoy the moon completely. But at 85 years, we'll be celebrating Sahasra Chandra Darshana. You should go, you should see, then you should do that. Okay. Looking at what? Paurnami days. Paurnami is actually cooler. As Sharat Kala Chandra, Sharat Chandra. You ever heard a name called Sharat Chandra?
A poet is there, Sharat Chandra.
Sharat Chandra, many people are there. So Sharat Chandra means a moon in winter season. How it looks? The atmosphere is a little filled with fog, and moon looks very beautiful, brightening. The night is so dark and the moon is so bright. It looks so beautiful. It is called as Sharat Chandra. So the Sharat Kala Chandra is so brightful, and it is like Sharat Kala is good for some poetic aspects. It is called Sharat Shatam. We'll enjoy the beauty of the nature in Sharat Kala. So Sharada Shatam. We should see 100 Sharat Kalas. It's Sharada Shatam. Okay. What is Modama? Again, Moda is?
Modam.
Her word
Sharada.
Everyone silent. Modakam.
I haven't heard that.
Modakam.
Modakam is laddu.
Yeah, we have never eaten that kind of laddu.
Modaka Hasta Sharanu Ganesha. We'll pray, na?
Yeah.
Modakasta. Modakasta.
Modaka. Mudakara Tamodakam. Modakam. Okay, what is Modakam is laddu. Why it is named as Modakam? Because it makes us so happy. By looking at laddu, we'll be happy, yes or no?
Yeah.
Many people will
We'll
go
be
to
happy.
Ganesha to see laddu, not Ganesha. Because it is with different colors, different tastes, and different sizes. Generally, mom makes this much only. The sweet shop, we'll see laddu. But this is different. So, what makes us to feel happy is called as modaka.
Hmm.
Okay, modakam is which makes us happy. That's why it is named modakam. Now, tell me what is modama?
Sharatah shatam. Be happy.
Will be happy for 100 years.
100 years.
Very good. Next one. Jivama
Jiva.
Sharatah Shatam.
Live for 100 years.
What is the Purusha and Vachana
Shatam.
and the Dhatu?
Jiva.
It's Madhyama Purusha.
Jivama. Okay, Madhyama Purusha.
And it's a Dvivachana.
Okay, if it is Dvivachana, what is, just go and look at Jiva Dhatu, Jivatu.
This is Pradama Purusha, I believe. Ama.
Prathama Purusha.
Okay, go and check in the Dhatu.
Uttama Purusha, plural, Bahuvachanam.
Okay, read the Dhatu, you'll get the answer. Jivatu,
Mama.
Jivatu, Jivatam, Jivantu,
Ah.
Jiva, Jivatam,
Yeah,
Jivata,
plural. It's plural.
Jivani.
Jivani, Jivava,
Jivama.
Now, where we came? Uttama Purusha, Vachana. We are going to live
Yeah.
for 100 years, na?
Yeah.
We, not me.
Yeah.
If it is me, then I'm selfish. If it is only you, I'm a sacrifice, like I'm in sacrificial mode. We are all going to live. I'm just taking place
Mama.
in a being, happy being.
If
Next
it is just me, it is Jivani, I guess.
Jivama. Jivani is singular. Jivama, we all.
Yeah.
Jivava is the.
Vaika kutumbakam.
So that is, let us live 100 years. What is that?
Okay. Let live for 100 years. Let us, why let us? Let live for 100 years.
Let live for 100 years.
Okay. Again, Krishna, Tvam Jalam Piba.
Piba. It's a Madhyama Purusha and singular.
Excellent. Madhyam Purusha, Ekavachanam.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah,
What is the
Ekavachanam.
meaning of it?
Krishna Tvam Jalam Piba.
What's the question?
Krishna, Prathama Purusha.
It's a question.
Jalam Piba.
Let him drink water.
Oh Krishna, you drink the water.
Okay.
Oh Krishna, you drink the water.
No, but when you say Krishna, it should be Pibatu, isn't it?
Piba. If it
Piba.
is, oh Krishna, I'm talking to Krishna. Na? If I'm talking to Krishna, he becomes the second person. Madhyama Purusha.
Okay.
If it is singular, then it becomes.
Why not Pradama Purusha?
Why not Pradama Purusha? Krishna Jalam Pibatu.
Uh-huh.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Krishna is somewhere, he is drinking water.
Okay.
Let him.
Krishna is nearby here. In this
If I'm
case.
talking to Krishna,
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Krishna, Jalam, Piba.
Jalam Piba. Next.
Bhavantaha Annam Khadantu.
There is a tradition in India that we don't eat food as if we want. There is a Pankti Bhojana. Everyone will sit, all the leaves will be spread, all the items will be like offered. After completion of offering all the food items and all, then someone elderly person will come and tell that Swami, now you can start. Then these people will start. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. That is the tradition.
We forgot the tradition of starting at a time, but people will go in buffet, just take plates, we start, eat, we just throw it and just come back.
Yeah, we'll fight for food and get.
That's okay.
But in this Ayappa Mala, they will do Ayappa during.
Yeah, in some systems we follow, but generally
Only Ayappa.
it happens. Bhagavan Nama Smarana, after saying something, they'll start. There are some traditions in some other areas also. So then some elderly person will come. If marriage is happening, you'll offer food, everything. Elderly person, father of the family will come and tell that, yeah, now you all can start the food. Then they all will start. That looks there is a beauty in it. What it means? Bhavantaha annam khadantu. What's the meaning of it? And dhatu, Purusha Vachana.
Bhavatu is Bahuvachanam Prathama Purusha.
Very good. You all eat the food. Once again. Bhavantaha annam khadantu. Repeat.
Bhavantaha annam khadantu.
You all eat food.
Is annam also a Sanskrit word?
Yeah.
Acharya, this Krishna.
Annam bahukurvita tadvratam annam na nindyat. Annam is food. What is the meaning of annam, Swami?
Food.
What food?
Rice.
Rice?
Or any other food too.
Any eatable item is called as annam
annam,
in
yeah.
Vedic times.
Yeah, Annam, Parabrahm, anything.
Anything,
Yes.
whatever makes you to live or survive, it is annam.
Right.
Yeah,
And
but I guess
salad,
we make it synonymous with rice, but it's not true. I
We
guess.
made it as annam, shakam, dadhi, payasam, bhakshyam, different. We made it, but actually everything is annam. Okay, if we have all these things, for animals there is no particular curry or sambar or curd. What they eat?
Annam.
Annam. Everyone who eats atti iti annam. What is the meaning of annam? Atti, eatable, is annam. Once again, repeat after me. Atti iti annam.
Atti iti annam.
Iti
Definition.
annam.
Every word has definition in Sanskrit. Atti iti annam.
Atti iti annam.
Atti eats. Whatever is eatable, atti is called as annam. Okay. I think today
Acharya,
I
this
just told you a very good
this
thing. I'm
sentence-
happy and satisfied today.
Krishna Tvam Jalam Pivas.
Uh,
Can we say Krishna Jalam Pivasi?
Krishna is drinking water. Someone asks you, someone tells you, complains you that Datji, Krishna is drinking water. What you will tell?
Let him drink the water.
Then what sentence should be?
And
Pibatu.
Krishna
Pibatu. No. Pibatu.
Pivatu, right.
Let him.
Pivatu.
If you tell Krishna to drink water,
Yeah.
Krishna,
Tvam
Tvam
jalam
piba.
piba.
Piva. Oh, Piva.
Piba.
Okay.
Okay.
So you drink. Okay.
Okay. Annam. I'm very happy today to tell you what actually Annam is. Okay. Aham pachani.
Aham pachan. I am
I am
cooking.
I'll cook. I cook.
Yeah, I will cook.
It's
So
like
it's
commanding,
Uttam
demanding,
Purusha.
just taking an authority. Aham pachani. Aham gachani. Aham khadani. Someone tells that don't eat. Don't do the job. What you will tell? Ladies are meant for kitchen and cooking. They are not meant to do the jobs. What modern ladies will tell? Aham gachani. Asau mama suhurat bhavatu. What's the meaning of it?
Asau Mama.
Asau is this. Mama is mine. Mama pustakam. I told you this. Na? Mama pustakam. Mama vahanam. Mama griham. Mama is mine. Asau mama. He is my
Sahrud.
suhrud means.
Friend.
Avat.
Friend.
Very good. Suhrud is friend. Bhavatu.
Bhavatu.
Let him be my friend. Asau mama patihi bhavatu. Will it happen? Is the sentence correct?
Yes.
Yeah, please, you can just be free. Just talk to me. Which is very
Yes.
important. I'll give you an
Sentence
example also.
sentence is correct, but not morally right.
No. Why not? You used to have Swayamvaras.
Okay.
In Swayamvaras, ladies have option to select husband. Huh?
Yeah, let him be my husband. Okay.
Yeah, let him be my husband. So Draupadi said Arjuna, selected Arjuna and told to her father, Drupada Maharaja, Arjuna mama patihi bhavatu. In the same way, Indumati told, Ajaha mama patihi bhavatu. There are many things in every Swayamvara. Yeah. And nowadays everything is Swayamvara only, Swami. It is nominal, it is just formal that people will go and just check like how they are, what they are, but actually it is decided previously. In Facebook, they'll be deciding. In phones and WhatsApp talks, they'll be deciding. In colleges and just offices, they'll decide. Then just give offer to parents. Just okay. Say okay. The same, na? Asau mama patihi bhavat. Asa. Okay. Next one. Tau vayasyau saphalam bhavatam.
Who is
Tau. Saha is he. Tau. Do you remember?
yeah, Pradhama
Both?
Purusha.
Vayasya. What is the meaning of Vayasya?
Two of you. Yeah.
No, Vayasya.
Yes, your age,
No.
aging.
No. Vayasya. Try one more.
Wise.
No.
Vayasya is friends.
Friends.
Vayasya is friend. Saha mama Vayasya. He is a same age group and he is my friend. To tell that he is my friend, this is another synonym for Sahrad. I want to introduce you to the synonyms also. That's why I just selected this word. Tau Vayasyau, both friends. Saphalam. What is Saphalam?
Victory.
Satisfaction.
Success.
Success.
No.
Saphalam.
Success. Yeah, success.
Success. Bhavatam.
Bhavatam.
Tell me Bhavatam.
Faraz. All. Faraz.
No, Bhavatam. Dhatu.
Yeah, Madhyama no. It's a
Ekavachanam.
no. It's Dvivachana.
Purusha Bahuvachana.
No.
Dvivachana.
Dvivachanam. Tau Bhavatu Bhavatam. If you go to the dhatu, the answer will come. Don't get confused. If you are confusing, if you have confusion in what it is, just go to dhatu. Just 9 words, na? Bhavatu Bhavatam Bhavantu, Bhavatam Bhavata, Bhavani Bhavava Bhavama. You'll get it. Tau Saha Taute, Bhavatu Bhavatam. Okay, Tau Bhavatam. Okay, Tau Vayasyau Saphalam Bhavatam. I told you, na, the word will follow the same vibhakti. Tau Vayasyau. Do you follow this? Tau Vayasyau Saphalam Bhavatam. Okay, next one. Mama Sakha Ayushman Bhavatu. What is the Sakha meaning of Sakha?
And
Sakha is friend.
How many synonyms you learned today?
Sahras Vasyau Sakha.
Suhrud.
Suhrud.
Vayasyau
Vayasyau. Sakha.
Sakha.
And do you know another word also?
Yeah. Sakhi.
Nah?
Sakhi nahi.
Mitram.
Nothing wrong in a word actually,
Mitra.
but words look at the word in different perception.
Mitra.
Mitram, very good. Good, very good.
Yeah, how
Another
about
word is there.
Snehita.
Very good.
Snehita.
You know the 2 words, that's why I wanted to introduce new 3 words. Okay, now I think who told about Sakhi?
Lakshma Reddy.
Okay, Mama Patni, Mama Sakhi. No, what's wrong in it? Mama Putri, Mama Sakhi. Yeah. Prapte to Shodashe Varshe Putram Mitra Vadacharet. Rajavat Pancha Varshani. A child should be considered as a king, Rajavat, as king for 5 years. Dasha Varshani Dasavat. From 5 to 10 years, he should be treated like a servant. Prapte to Shodashe Varshe. When he reaches 16 age, Putram Mitra Vadacharet. He should be treated like a friend. So, like what foreign countries are using that. But actually, considering friend, they are sending it out. But in India, we don't send them out, but we still keep them in our. That's it. That's small difference. Okay. Mama Sakha Ayushman Bhavatu. Mama Sakha. Mama.
My friend.
My friend.
Ayushman Bhavatu.
Live forever.
Live forever.
Ayushman.
Let
Not ever.
him live long.
Live long. Yeah. Ayushman.
Live long.
Healthy. Life. Okay. Next one. Okay. Bhavatu. You are not telling about Bhavatu.
Bhavatu is a singular.
Okay.
Prathama Purusha.
Pradhama Ekvachanam. Okay. Okay. 2-3 questions last. Tava Bahavaha Mitrani Bhavantu.
Tava Bhavaha Mitrani
Tava means?
Bhavantu.
Tvam, Tava. Tvam is you, Tava. Your.
Yeah. Okay.
Tava, Tvam is you, Tava is your. Aham is me, Mama is mine. Okay. Tava, Bahavaha, many. Mitrani,
Friends.
You have many friends.
Bhavantu.
That you have
Bhavantu
many
is
friends.
a
Let you have many
plural.
friends. I want, why we send our children to schools?
You have as many.
Son tells, Daddy, I don't go to school. What will tell? Tava Bahava Mitrani Bhavantu. If you are at home, you'll be alone. If you go to school, Tava Bahava Mitrani Bhavantu. You'll have more friends.
I like that.
Tvam Sukhi Bhava. I think you heard this.
Right.
Tvam Sukhi Bhava. What is Tvam?
You
Sukhi
Be well.
happy.
Bhava.
You be happy.
You be happy. What is Bhava here?
It's
Swami, other people, I think you people are vexed. I think it's, I took a lot.
Yeah, second person singular.
Yeah, that's
it's a Madhyama Purusha singular.
very
Yeah.
good. Avam Nagaram Gachava.
Avam Nagaram Gachava.
Avam.
Let's go to the city.
Avam, all, Avam.
Avam.
We all.
Avam.
We all.
Let's all go to city.
No. Avam is we both. Aham, avam, vayam. If it is vayam, we all. Avam, we both. Avam, nagaram gachava.
Oh, we both.
We both go to the nagaram. Gachava. What is gachava? Where it comes?
Let
Dvivachanam. It's a Dvivachanam. Dvivachanam. And Uttama Purusha.
Very good.
let
Gachani,
both of us
gachava,
go to
gachava.
Nagaram. I see.
Like Sukhi Bhava.
Be happy.
Be happy. This I wanted to just
The
conclude
same
this.
as
A
the
good saying.
form, it's just form is absent.
Okay. So this is what today's lessons. Another thing I should tell, but I just brought out the today, tomorrow, and yesterday concept. I'm happy. Thank you very much, all. Just please just keep practicing. We'll send you something, but you are some few people are answering. You are not. Try to just answer things. We'll get slowly. We are getting perfect. You are able to read the sentences. You are able to understand the sentences. You are able to identify the words, the dhatus like verbs and all. I'm happy that you people are just growing, moving faster. Let us, like we are crawling now. We'll run definitely.
Dhanyavada. Punarmilama.
Thank you very much.
Dhanyavad.
Namaste.
Please send
Dhanyavad.
this slide to us, picture of this slide, Acharya.
I'll send it to you just now.
Yes.